Imagine this. You meet someone new.
They look at you and smile.
Then they ask you a simple question.
Tell me about yourself.
It sounds easy.
But many people feel nervous.
They don't know what to say.
Today, we will help you.
We will practice how to talk about yourself in English.
Simple words, simple sentences.
You can use them every day. Hello everyone, welcome to Happy English.
Hello friends, welcome back.
Before we start, please subscribe to the Happy English channel.
Yes, subscribe and share this podcast with your friends.
Today we learn how to talk about yourself.
Listen, repeat, and speak with us.
Let's start with a simple question. What is your name?
My name is Tom.
Very good. You can say, my name is...
My name is Tom.
Now you try.
Say your name.
Good. Next question. Where are you from?
I am from the United States.
Repeat.
I am from the United States.
Now you try.
I am from...
Excellent. Next. Where do you live?
I live in a big city.
Repeat.
I live in a big city.
You can say, I live in a small town.
I live in a small town.
Good. Next question. How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Repeat.
I am 25 years old.
Now you try.
I am years old.
Great. Now let's talk about work.
Important topic.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Repeat.
I am a teacher.
You can also say, I am a student.
I am a student.
Or, I work in an office.
I work in an office.
Now you try.
I am a...
Good. Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
Repeat.
Yes, I like my job.
Or, no, I don't like my job.
No, I don't like my job.
Excellent. Now let's talk about hobbies.
Fun topic.
What do you like to do?
I like reading books.
Repeat.
I like reading books.
You can say, I like watching movies.
I like watching movies.
Or, I like listening to music.
I like listening to music.
Now you try.
I like...
Great. Now let's make a small introduction.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Tom.
Hello, my name is Tom.
I am from the United States.
I am from the United States.
I live in a big city.
I live in a big city.
I work in an office.
I work in an office.
I like reading and music.
I like reading and music.
Very good. Now, listeners, repeat the full introduction.
Try to speak.
Hello, my name is...
I am from...
I live in...
I live in...
I work as...
I work as...
I like...
I like.
Excellent job. Now let's add more information.
More practice.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Repeat.
My favorite food is pizza.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Repeat.
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports.
What sport do you like?
I like football.
Good. Now let's talk about daily life.
Okay.
What do you do every day?
I go to work and study English.
Repeat.
I go to work and study English.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
What do you do in the evening?
I relax and watch TV.
Excellent. Now let's practice again.
Practice is important.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Tom.
Where are you from?
I am from the United States.
What do you do?
I work in an office.
What do you like?
I like music and books.
Very good. Listeners, now it's your turn.
Speak out loud.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is...
I am from...
I am from...
I live in...
I live in...
I work as...
I work as...
I like.
I like.
Excellent job. Now let's review.
Review time.
My name is...
My name is...
I am from...
I am from...
I live in...
I live in...
I work as...
I work as...
I like.
I like.
Very good. Keep practicing every day.
Practice makes you better.
Comments below.
Tell me about yourself.
Great job so far.
Yes, we are learning step by step.
Now let's continue.
Let's talk more about yourself.
Sometimes people ask more questions,
Yes, they want to know you better,
so you need to give longer answers.
but still simple and clear.
Let's continue your introduction.
Okay.
Tell me about your family.
I have a small family.
Repeat.
I have a small family.
You can say, I have a big family.
I have a big family.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Repeat.
I have one brother.
Or, I have two sisters.
I have two sisters.
Good. Now, talk about your parents.
My parents are kind.
Repeat.
My parents are kind.
Very nice. Now, let's talk about your city again.
Okay.
What is your city like?
My city is big and busy.
Repeat.
My city is big and busy.
Do you like your city?
Yes, I like my city
Why?
because it is beautiful.
Good answer. Now, let's talk about your routine.
Daily life.
What do you do every day?
I wake up, work, and relax.
Repeat.
I wake up, work, and relax.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
What do you do in the morning?
I drink coffee.
Good. Now, let's make your introduction longer.
Okay.
Hello. My name is Tom.
Hello, my name is Tom.
I am from the United States.
I am from the United States.
I live in a big city.
I live in a big city.
I work in an office.
I work in an office.
I have a small family.
I have a small family.
I like reading and music.
I like reading and music.
Very good. Now, let's add feelings.
Feelings are important.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
Repeat.
Yes, I am happy.
Are you busy?
Yes, I am busy.
Are you tired?
Sometimes I am tired.
Good. Now, let's talk about goals.
Future plans.
What do you want to do in the future?
I want to learn English.
Repeat.
I want to learn English.
You can also say, I want to travel.
I want to travel.
Or, I want a good job.
I want a good job.
Excellent. Now, full practice again.
Let's try.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Tom.
Where are you from?
I am from the United States.
What do you do?
I work in an office.
Tell me about your family.
I have a small family.
What do you like?
I like music and reading.
What are your plans?
I want to learn English.
Amazing. Now, listeners, your turn.
Speak with us.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is.
I am from.
I live in.
I work as.
I have.
I like.
I want.
Great job. Remember, keep it simple.
Use short sentences.
Speak slowly and clearly.
Practice every day.
Now, let's review.
Review time.
My name is.
My name is.
I am from.
I am from.
I live in.
I live in.
I work as.
I work as.
I have.
I have.
I like.
I like.
I want.
I want.
Excellent work today.
You can now talk about yourself in English.
Do not be afraid to speak.
Practice again and again.
Comments below.
Tell me about yourself.
Thank you for listening to Happy English.
Please subscribe to the Happy English channel.
Share this podcast with your friends.
Keep learning English every day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.